Soup is so yummy. Ogbono soup can be very slimy and easy for kids, both kids and adults to enjoy. Welcome to my channel today. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this delicious ogbono soup like a pro, or would I say like the olden days. In today's activity, I've seen so many people video where they fry the ogbono, some twist it the other way, some add this thing, some add that. But in today's video, I'll show you how our olden days mom and dad made this ogbono. Yes, I said that because my dad is also a great cook. Maybe that's where I learned how to cook from, as well as my mom. She is a good cook. So because I'm a fast cook, I like to get my things ready before proceeding to cook. But I just wash my fish with hot water and wash my meat as well. This meat, I just bought it out from the freezer. Please, when you want to wash your own meat from that you just bought directly from the market, please don't forget to add salt, okay? It's very essential when washing the things you use in cooking your food. So in this pot, I added my meat, added seasoning and salt only, then went in with my dry pepper, okay? So and I allow this to cook until it's tender. While I'm waiting for the meat and fish to get tender, I'll go ahead to select my vegetable. This vegetable, I actually bought it yesterday and it was looking very fresh. I wonder why it's so rotten this morning. But nevertheless, I had to select the ones that are still okay and for me to cook with, okay? My vegetables, I just went in with my oil into the ogbono. Yes, in the olden days they usually use the oil they want to use for cooking to dissolve the ogbono, and that's how I learned how to cook ogbono soup like a pro. So I dissolved my ogbono, not necessarily dissolved because there are no serious lumps in it, just to mix it with the vegetable oil so it will not form lump when you add it to the soup. And that's a very easy way to cook your ogbono soup. If you use this method, I'm sure you will have every reason to come back to this video to say thank you for sharing this tip, okay? If you have not subscribed to my channel, sweetheart, please don't forget to do so, as I drop awesome content back to back, and I would like to welcome you on board so you also get to learn new things and how to cook like a pro. If you want to up your game in the kitchen activities, please don't forget. Right now, our food is very much tender to like 98%. I'll go in with the ogbono I had already mixed with my red oil, okay? So, and I'll allow it to cook for a few minutes, say 5 minutes, so the ogbono will get done. And in between, I noticed that the ogbono was becoming so thick, I had to add more water, just a little more water, so it will not be too watery, So the water will help to loosen the soup and allow the ogbono to get properly cooked. If it's not properly cooked, I'm sure you will not enjoy it. I've not seen anyone who cooked ogbono and it's not properly cooked, of which I can't tell you how the taste will look like. So you have to allow yours to get done, okay? Guys, let's continue. As soon as you see your ogbono looking this way, that means it's almost ready. Okay guys, my soup at this point is practically ready. I went in with my dried fish, smoked fish. Yeah, I went in with my pepper mix, which are onions, pepper and crayfish. I went in with my tomatoes and sliced onions. Do you know why I like to add sliced onions and tomatoes to my food? To my ogbono soup precisely, because it makes it to have a very nice color. Aside the nutrients that tomatoes and pepper gives to the body, it makes it to have a very nice color. You can see, not just having that particular ogbono look, and you don't actually need plenty pepper, okay, tomatoes, okay? Then I went in with my vegetable. Guys, our food is ready. At this point, I don't need to cover the pot anymore. I just stir properly to mix together and then turn off the heat. Bring your plate. Let me show you what I have made this morning, or what I've made today. I don't know where you're watching from. Please, wherever you are, if you're watching this video up to this moment, please don't forget to comment yummy. Comment yummy for your girl as it supports this channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video is very helpful. If you try this step-by-step means of making this ogbono, I'm sure you actually get it very correct. Our food is served. It's better served hot and pair with any swallow of your choice. You know, in Nigeria, we like swallow enough. We like swallow so much. Here, I used my semolina. You can use your fufu. You can use your gari. You can use your wheat, oatmeal, plantain meal, whatever meal you want to go with yours. Feel free and pair your soup with this. It goes awesomely well with fufu. Is that a secret? For people watching weight, please pair with whatever you want to pair with, okay? So the soup is done and I want to test it for you. One for me, one for you. This is the practical way we eat in our native land. Guys, nothing like forming, nothing like I want to use the cutlery. We go in with our fingers. You know, this my channel is so real. I show you how it is from A to Z. Thank you for watching, sweetheart, and please, I want to see you in my next video. I want to get your comments read out in my next video. Thank you for watching, and if you don't mind, you can as well comment where you're watching from. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Enjoy your meal. Bye.